At the Samaritan InterCommunity Health Clinic, Albany, we understand that everyone's healthcare journey is unique. That's why we offer an individualized approach designed for patients insured by the Intercommunity Health Network Coordinated Care Organization.
The intention of this clinic is to provide better wraparound services for clients that are most in need here in our community. Our goal here is to provide high quality care to patients that have maybe at times fallen through the health cracks. And so one of our main goals here too is to ensure that our patients and our fellow community members are receiving appropriate health care.
A lot of our clients are going to have social determinant needs. So the idea is for this clinic to meet people where they're at and serve them in a broad array of needs all in one place if possible. At any one visit, we could imagine someone coming and maybe not needing the medical provider that day, but needing behavioral health, or needing the community health worker, or needing the pharmacist, or needing some legal aid, which we're hoping to have on site as well. And we already have had some patients who have spent 2 hours here seeing 3 or 4 different people within the same visit.
We try to stay as flexible as possible, and the appointment is not about the provider and provider needs. This is about the patient and the patient needs, and addressing what is most important to the patient at that time. Additional benefits that we have here at the clinic is we have partnered with STARS, which is our Samaritan Treatment and Recovery Services. We're providing substance use disorder treatment. We've partnered with other community members and providers within the Samaritan system. So we're helping our transgendered patients and our LGBTQ+ patients obtain health care in a more appropriate manner.
So our model of care that we're trying to meet here is sort of new, and it's kind of exciting. We're trying to draw in as many resources as possible. And so people are able to just walk directly across the street and go to the lab over there to have all their lab draws. If people need x-rays, it's just a really short jaunt across the street. We can then work on preventative care and, more long-term positive health goals and outcomes.
My message to patients is I want you to come try our clinic out. I want you to come in, see our healthcare system, see how wonderful this clinic is. And I think you will be pleasantly surprised that we are no judgment. We do not penalize people for missed appointments, late appointments. We understand that life happens, and we're not going to turn you away. You're always welcome here.